Welcome to AI Experiments, where prompts meet possibility. Today's experiment asks a strange but powerful question. What if an ancient philosopher tried to explain Gen Z's buying habits? We're blending time periods, tone and insight, and asking AI to switch perspective completely. Because sometimes to understand the present, you need a voice from the past. Here's the prompt. Describe Gen Z's buying habits like you're an ancient philosopher. Let's see how AI bridges centuries, from scrolls to smartphones. AI responses. Lo, the youth of this epoch do not barter for mere necessity, but for identity. They do not seek goods, but reflections of the self. This line echoes Plato's theory of forms, valuing symbolic meaning over utility. Gen Z isn't just buying, they're curating who they are. They gather in digital agoras, not to debate, but to share symbols of value. A hoodie with a cause, a phone with a lens, a meme with meaning. This one channels Socrates, describing modern shopping as a form of social signaling in the public square, except the square is now TikTok. They follow the oracle of influence, whose wisdom is measured in followers and whose truths lie in trends. Here, the AI is drawing from Delphic prophecy. The influencer as oracle, fascinating metaphor for Gen Z's trust dynamics. To them, permanence is suspect, subscription is preferred, ownership is but a relic of our ancestors. This dives into Epicurean impermanence. Gen Z embraces access over possession. Think streaming, renting, sampling over owning. Even the coin they offer is unseen, a cloud of digits, summoned by glass talismans and thumb incantations. A poetic nod to digital wallets. This one reads almost like Heraclitus, seeing constant change in form and function. Money itself has transformed. Outcome. This experiment reveals how AI can adopt an ancient lens to explore modern behavior. The humor works because the metaphors make sense. Shopping as identity, influencers as oracles, subscriptions over permanence, phones as talismans. In one sense, it's funny. In another, it's profoundly accurate. When AI steps into a philosopher's sandals, it doesn't just make us laugh, it reveals patterns we forget to see. That's the power of prompting across boundaries, across time, tone, and culture. This was AI Experiments on Vantage Aditya, your lens into machine creativity and human insight. If this sparked something, subscribe. We're just getting started. From Aristotle to algorithms, we're creating greatness one experiment at a time.